One. Consent of the council. Take respondents and my lord also the private respondent. 4789. 47. File opposition my lord. Yesterday I filed the reply. Matter is very urgent my lord. After tomorrow. Want to file a reply today? Today. And we want to get the listed day after tomorrow. What is the urgency? The transfer matter. Your working on matter for there is interim order. Considered my lord. Transfer matter. Interim to be considered. Interim to be considered. Next month. So the Thursday or Friday. All right, Friday. Friday. My lord, item number my lord 48, my lord, 59 years. Interim reservation and yeah, my lord, that may be continued. Interim order is very. Item 48, there is this interim order, and in item 49, we have stated interim orders if any will continue. That will suffice. All right.
The consent of other side not adjust to mission item
1.
This matter would have been able to file evidence in opposition. Approximately around the
31 on the request of Mr. 4 weeks. Subject. Stone 29.
I beg to mention item number 29, Lordship. But for the consent of the other side, Lordship, sometimes
You are for the petitioner respondent.
respondent number 4, Lordship.
Respondent 4.
Lordship, 1 week time will be given because
3 weeks.
but I just mentioned for contempt matter.
Contempt matter.
Yes.
On 1st of June.
Prior to
New matter, old matter.
old matter.
Old matter. First or 25th, 20th of June. 20th of May.
Okay. That is by the mention item the consent of the other side. I have been praying for 2 weeks time now.
You're for the
Respondent.
counsel for the respondent this time. Were to be listed after 2. Stick for admission 1st of June. First of June. When was it last listed? 33 on account of expiry of it. First time. I contract my lord for and facilities in the Gauhati police station terminated on 13/3/2026. So notice. I know. This is notice.
Uh, your lordship, in this matter relates to
Page number
lordships.
that you are alleging contempt. Page number.
Lordship, the judgment, the WP is 6583, where
Page
the or
number. Page
uh,
number.
your lordship. The page number is 20. 20. It starts from
Where
20
is the
and except
operative part? What was the
uh,
direction issue?
your lordship, your lordship, the page number 26, where the operative part starts, para number 12. Lordship, the directions were given in from the eighth line from below the lordship. I can't see the code and there is no voice also.
Where is the contempt? Where is the well-filled violation?
Your lordship, it has been more than 2 years, your lordship, in this case, but there has been no this order has not been complied with.
Was there a
Neither
time
the
limit? Was there a
there
time
was
frame
no lordship,
granted?
there was no time limit. However, it has been more than 2 years. Now the petitioner is about to superannuate in 2 years. And if the DPC is not conducted, then he won't be able to receive the benefit of your lordship's order. The difficulty is, lordship, that there is he is about to superannuate. DPC has not been conducted in 2 years. He is not still not been considered for promotion in another separate matter.
Direction is issued to whom? Who's the
You know,
appropriate respondent?
appropriate respondent. Your lordship, the direction was issued to the DG of CRPF earlier in the WP, and it was not complied with. The petitioner also wrote a letter to DG of CRPF and other officers who were the respondent in WP. If your lordship can move to number 2, annexure number 3 at page number 64. The letter is dated 13th June
We
2024.
will issue notice on 2 and 3 alone for the time being. Third consent for parties.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Respondents 2 and 3 at this stage. Contained in the dated 28/5/2024, passed in WPC number 6583 of 2016. Submitted that the directions have not been complied with and the petitioner is on the verge of retirement. Let the steps be undertaken by speed post within 1 week from today. Matter be listed after the returnable date.
Much obliged, Your Lordship. Grateful.
The contempt for non-compliance of the order dated 23/26. That is page 11.
Huh? Huh? বন্ধ করে দেব, বন্ধ করে দেব। Yes.
Third, counsel for parties issue notice written which steps of respondents by speed post within 1 week from the date. That will be listed after the written rule.
All right.
And pass about a time being. As election another
Time being.
time being. Lordship, affidavit is not coming, Lordship, has not come, Lordship. So,
My lord,
further time will be required, Lordship.
my lord, the method to be is listed for the interlocutory application is listed for correction of the address of the petition.
I-1281.
Yes.
Have you, sir, have you received the copy?
Yes, sir.
Did not appear in this case, Lordship. And pass about a matter.
We'll pass it over for the time being. Like, they have no objections.
Pass over for
Close
the
the
day,
matter.
Lordship. Pass over for the day, Lordship.
Not they, not they. What is this? Only thing is that we want to hear whether you have any objections, file any objections. That's all. You request Mr. D not to be here, or you get your instructions, we'll take it up at the end of the motion.
Lordship. God bless.
Yes, Mr. Somwa.
My lord, this matter, my lord, a doctor from the regional dental college. He was a lecturer there initially appointed. Now, after 4 years of service, 4 years, 7 months as lecturer, then he was promoted to the post of reader, my lord. And after 1 year, 1 year, 3 months, 3 months in the year 2022, he applied for a study leave to get to pursue a course in United Kingdom, my lord. This is called MSc in clinical oncology. And while he was going for this study, he applied for study leave and he applied for NOC. The NOC was granted by the governor of Assam. If your lordship can see that NOC at my lord. Page 55, my lord. Page 55 is the NOC granted by the governor of Assam. Has your lordship got it, my lord?
Yes.
If I may read, my lord. The governor of Assam is pleased to allow Dr. Parthasarathi Chakraborty, reader of oral and maxillofacial surgery, Regional Dental College, Gauhati, to visit United Kingdom to pursue MSc in clinical oncology at University of Birmingham, United Kingdom, at his own cost with effect from 19/9/2022 to 29/9/2023 by availing leave as admissible, subject to the condition that he will not receive any foreign hospitality. Thereafter, my lord, he applied for leave. Page 53 is the leave application, and this was duly forwarded by his principal. But the leave was not granted, neither the leave salary was paid. This man was thrown into trouble in a foreign nation without money. Then he took loan and then completed this study. On, my lord, 7/8/2024, while he did not receive any money or the leave was not granted, at page 60, my lord, he resigned from the post of reader. Now, they said over this resignation letter, which was submitted to them on 7th August 2024, they said over this, they did not take any decision. Suddenly, at page 62, my lord, on 13/3/2026, they served a so-called notice to me. That is at page 62, my lord. Has your
Yes.
lordship got it, my lord? My lord, here, this is the so-called notice. It's saying that you are here, you have not come back to join this service. You promised that you will be serving this institution for 15 years after coming from the course, completion of the course. So it is a departmental proceeding has been initiated.
You
This is
did not join.
No, I did not join, my lord. I resigned.
Oh, you resigned.
Yes. They said about a resignation for 21 months. Then suddenly on 2026, they issued this so cause notice and page
We'll
6.
have to issue notice here because their response would be necessary.
My lord, it is definitely, my lord, they have to responded to this whole thing, my lord. The only difficulty is, my lord, they have started taking coercive action against me because I'm working in the United Kingdom now. My lord, you will see uh, the coercive action that is, my lord, contemplated at page 71, my lord. Just considering this document, lordship may grant a stay operation of the impugn so cause notice, my lord. That is my humble prayer because otherwise my career will be jeopardized.
Why? You are no longer in service, according to you.
Yes, I am no longer in service, but they have rejected my resignation, my lord. That is at page 62. And served this so cause notice and this threatening letter that I will write to the government will write to my present employer and quash my service. My lord.
How can that be? Yes.
Well,
Lordship, I am appearing for Health Department, Lordship. There was direction to obtain instruction, Lordship. Lordship, instruction has not been received yet. I pray some more time.
Third, Mr. Somol and counsel appearing in virtual mode, the court. And Mr.
You host.
You Ghosh appearing on behalf of Mr. D.P. Bora of the Health Department. The petitioner is aggrieved by the initiation of department proceedings against the petitioner, as also the non-acceptance of the resignation submitted by the petitioner from his services as an assistant professor,
my lord, I was in
former
reader. I was reader.
reader in oral and maxillofacial surgery of the regional dental, which would be. There I issue notice returnable since Mr. Bush appears, accepts notice on behalf of all. This is okay. Extra copies are be furnished within a period of 1 week. Respondents will complete their instructions and file necessary affidavit. Issue notice on the interim prayer list. Again, June.
My lord, 15
15
June,
June.
my lord.
15 June.
My lord, what I sincerely pray, my lord, lordship will protect me from this letter, my lord, that is at page 71. That may be kept in a
How? How
my
did,
lord,
therefore we are issuing a notice on stay for 15.
My lord, until then, since your lordship is pleased to fix a date, my lord, I'm not asking for an unlimited time till the next date, my lord.
Which letter? Page number?
Page number 71, my lord. They have directed me to submit the details of my present employer, and they may do anything, my lord. I lose everything. Just list this letter to be kept in abeyance until the next date, my lord.
But this letter has only asked you to furnish the details.
My lord, if previously also they have written some written letters, my lord, that they will go to the
This letter does not contemplate any action against you. They are merely saying that you are unauthorized, absent. These are the information which are required. You have to submit this information. There is no step. There is nothing.
My lord, they have written letters to me, my lord, of late, that they will write. They will write to the MCI Medical Council of India.
We can't stop the government from writing letters or getting information.
No,
We
my
have
lord,
to see what is there in the papers, on the documents, on this page number 71, 72. They have not contemplated any action.
My lord, what I am trying to pray before your lordship, my lord, if they initiate proceeding to throw the statutory authority, my lord, like medical council.
Before that, they'll have to put you to notice. This is not a notice for initiation of proceedings. You read the
And
notice
only
carefully.
one
This is
sentence,
for
one sentence will suffice, my lord. If lordship says, my lord, that no coercive action till the next date, my lord. Just one sentence will suffice, my lord. Nothing to be specifically mentioned, my lord. As your lordship pleases, my lord, to
as the
issue.
petitioner is expressing apprehension that coercive action will be initiated by the department against him. Till the next returnable date, the department will not take any coercive action against the petitioner.
I'm deeply
regarding
obliged.
employment
I'm
in the
deeply-
United Kingdom.
I'm deeply obliged.
Please take on it.
Also, after a departmental proceeding, the petitioner was removed from service, Initially, he joined as an office assistant. Thereafter, he was promoted to the post of assistant manager. So, while working as an assistant branch head, they said he have committed some irregularities in the sanction of RTL room. Query was conducted thereafter. Order is enacted 29 page 100.
Challenging the dismissal order. Heard
Going
about
to appeal, confirm the
AM4. Getting the inquiry report also.
yes.
Some university. Timely.
We are failing no inquiry under the sexual harassment of women at work, prevention, prohibition, and redressal act of and also my transfer during the pendency of this fresh inquiry. I just first, my lord, indicate the chronology of the my lord, one of my junior colleagues.
What is the action contemplated?
No, here is a recommendation for initiation of departmental proceeding under the service code. Now, under the this
We'll have to examine.
time for staying of this recommendation. I will show. Allow me 5 minutes. I will show this is X facing. See what happened. Here is a complaint by one of my junior colleagues alleging mental harassment and work.
Yes.
Complaint was stated to be a complaint of sexual harassment under section 9 of 2029, and it was referred to ICC, Internal Complaint Division. Then inquiry commenced. During the pendency of this inquiry, this aggrieved woman we wrote a mail expressing our desire to resolve this matter through sewage conciliation. Now, this act itself provides a conciliation mechanism. Section 10 says so. Accordingly, a conciliation arrived here. There is a report, NCD's report, page 44. Starts with page 44. Final conclusion at 46. Accordance with section 10(2) of the POSH Act, the internal committee certifies that the matter has been amicably settled through conciliation. That's the conclusion. Amicably settled under this framework of 2013 Act.
Page number?
46. Last final conclusion. In accordance with section 10(2).
Yes.
Now, even after this amicable settlement through conciliation, she again re-agitated the issue. This time to ICC RO, Regional Office. Now, in the teeth of section 13(4), sorry, 10(4), it is absolutely bad. There is a specific bar.
Time. Time would you like to have complete your instruction? 3 weeks? Think. But has they proceeded against you?
There is recommendation.
Right.
They will anytime proceed, man.
Let them proceed. We'll see.
See 13(4), can we just for a moment see 13(4)? They
We are
binding.
giving a notice on the interim prayer. As on date, they have not proceeded. They'll have to proceed.
Proceed. Nothing more required. They will simply inflict punishment on me. That's the mandate of that. Can we see 13(4)?
So what does your 71 regulation say?
proceeding is to be conducted in accordance with the service rule. 71 says, staff regulation says, this inquiry report, if we construed as an inquiry report under in a
Till the next returnable bill, course of action taken. Second, recommendation by the ICC original law. Date. Sorry. Well, like 12, huh?
Yes.
Well.
But my lord, they are under BTC.
Used for BTC. Did we pass similar orders? Did we pass any orders in similar matters?
My lord,
Serve a copy. Day after. BTC Standing Council submits that copies have not been served. Copies. Friday.
Extended, there is page number 17.
What is the regular appointment? Then
Here, my lord, page 17, first there is a third line. Service was executed for other staff doing. Here the was working with the suddenly the year 2025 last December 25 and stop my salary. Corrected by by process. Page 26.
now what is your grievance?
My students basing on this order by this one of the court orders, my lord, they have issued one stop loss notice. There is page 30.
Where is the resignation letter? You have submitted some resignation letter.
So, there was a compelling statement. I have submitted a report that I have replied, filed a proposed reply. There is page 31. Next page.
I get your instructions.
And my lord,
What remains now?
After 2017, my lord, there was no new any agreement.
Whatever it may be, your contract term expired. What were you doing? You were asking for extension of contract, extension of service.
My lord.
Can't be done because your contract expired. But
Here, the feelings are along with the similar contextual influence. That would have been one of the most scared people. Space number,
But your term expired.
second statement. There was a sense difference.
The same situation, your term expired. After expiry, how do you expect the court to extend your contract with a third party? Huh?
Scheme is
And that is after examining, let them file their response, we'll examine the matter. Till date, we can't give any.
statement.
Your term is expired in March. We're in May.
They have submitted in the
You give us an explanation why you were not before the court before expiry of the term. Why you would not come to the court?
same number that was.
You did not find the Supreme Court judgment. We'll examine the matter. We are not fixing it.
I have spent 10 years.
The date.
Covered, no, madam. The forest is covered.
What is-
Tender, I am paying for
Yes,
same under PTC.
after verifying. After verifying. That page number 62. RTI? Is there a standing counsel?
Yes.
Get your instructions. Why is it not being granted?
Time frame given the act to
Find out why it's not done.
when it will be taken up. That is the get back on.
Yes. Or whether it has been taken up for consideration
It
already.
has already been taken up for.
Advance of the writ petitioner. That is application of the RTI. When again, appellate authority. Yeah. Legal explanation.
Appointment, my lord. My matter was examined by the SLC. Thereafter, SLC directed the irrigation department to explore the vacancy
for further consideration. Now, still, the authority body matter. That's,
And you file a contempt. Why you file a writ petition?
and it's-
You're saying that by order dated 13/3, page 27. There is a direction.
Order 27. It's a similar matter, my lord.
Similar.
Similar matter,
Where is the direction in your case?
my lord. At page 17, annexer 3, my lord. My lord. And at relevant portion is my lord. Page 19, my lord. Type copy, my lord.
This similar benefit and similar orders already been passed in your.
No, I have two matters already. Which you are also already. Here, lots of Sadarada diving 11, 15 months, 15 years was survived. Lots.
File section, take it up. Explain why developer query is.
Double 284 to 26. Double two double 8 26. That order has that that review has been but
revenue. State has never reviewed. Private response.
Then he is filed or not? Filed.
Private response. In the period of 90 days.
By the autonomy 60/20.
Direction. Private response. Citing the view in the opposition. Extra copies be furnished.
Okay, okay.
File an appeal.
Point out.
File an appeal.
Not in the
Why should we there at this stage of
open law. One. Oh, okay. Millet, this is from page 48 to 50. My lord peruses paras 4 and 5. My lord would notice that they have already predetermined my guilt. It's a verdict that they have passed in the garb of a show cause notice. I may read it out.
you are noticed before the authority, why should we go read the
but-
show cause?
But Millet, that also I need the adverse material which ought to be punished under 26.
Are we the authority hearing your, are we the authority doing the show cause?
Millet, let me state it.
Why should it be stayed? Why should it stay? You go and appeal, go and appear before the authority. You are entitled to go and file applications asking for detailed information, whatever you want. That the show cause what right is violated.
Millet, I have judgment with what
Let us see. Has the earlier precedent been overruled by the judgment? Then
Not that judgment. That the show cause notice cannot be. That is.
is it a case that the authority issuing a show cause is it a case that the manner and procedure, the form in which the show cause is not followed?
Not for. But was violation. One.
26, termination of service.
Termination of service. Termination of service of input person. Now, where a commanding officer not below the rank satisfied that an enrolled person is unsuitable. What matter?
Why do you reply, refer these clauses before the authorities?
They bow down to my law. That's the case. That
We are not issuing a stay. But
otherwise
file your reply is up to you. Without prejudice, we'll see. And what are the judgments?
and he has given his for 15 days time. Prior to that, he is approached the court. They are acting on the basis of illegal notice. Then
the problem.
that
Sir. Fine. Fine.
Here, clearly mentioned for 95.
95. Serial 95.
Till 95. Already we have within 5 questions. And as per
But they are entitled to copy of this. Why don't you bring it by way of an affidavit? If they agree, they will. So you hand over a copy to we'll record it, hand over a copy to the.
That is for judgment.
Can you bring it on record?
Yes.
Hearing for the. Appointment. 5% quota for corporation of appointment. Considered issued by speaking order number so and so dated 22nd November. Rest of you. Yes.
Regarding IL also, I have no objection.
But the Chaudhary, by I take liberty of it. Take necessary correction. Yes. Correct address of the writ petitioner is reflected in para 3, page 5, the IA. That's the correct address. So the address that is entered in the title. Title within connected company.
which has been done without recording. That is the basic crux of the matter. Your lordship are aware that the law is very clear on this. By extending why I have they have issued a charge sheet against me and the disciplinary proceeding is pending. And if I may just take your lordships to the first order of suspension, which is at page 42.
They've issued a charge sheet.
They have
The
issued
show cause.
yes, they have issued a show cause. I have replied to my, I've given my written submission. And
What is
the
the
charges
state
are,
of the inquiry?
If the inquiry with reported at this time informed by the
Inquiry, sir.
sorry. Yes, I on 25/4.
not taken they've just
Have you received your subsistence allowance?
a subsistence notice.
Let them respond to your
There is an increase to 75%.
whatever that is done. But it is not a case that you've been under suspension and no inquiry has proceeded.
No, that they just started the inquiry. The first suspension order was of 18th December 2025. And thereafter it was reviewed on 17th of March 2026. On the same day, on 17th of March, the memo of charges was also issued against me. Now, pursuant to that and pursuant to my giving the statement, I've also asked them to revoke the suspension because it's no longer required. It is not a case where I will be able to affect material witnesses or tamper with the evidence. The charges itself are such frivolous charges against me, Your Lordships. I'm not on that right now. Of course, I have annexed the body of the memo of charges for the time being. It's short date time. Yes, UGC. Number 5.
Respondent what? Five. Union. Central government. If there being any reason, I mean, mention. Kept under suspension since
17th of March 2026.
17 March. Inquiry proceedings have been initiated. File the reply.
Yes, I've already filed mine.
Send immediately. If
Order was passed in the year 2023, my lord. That's case 23, my lord.
direction,
Direction at page 20, my lord. First at page 19, the operative portion is at page 20, last paragraph, my lord. In view of the above, the instant writ petition is disposed of by providing that the seal cover proceeding in respect of the petitioner be opened and thereafter consequential orders be passed. There is subject, however, to the condition that there was no departmental proceeding pending against the petitioner at the relevant. The exercise was directed to be completed within a period of 5 days. Subsequently, the petitioner furnished a copy of the order at page 22, my lord, on 2023 itself. At that relevant point of time, my lord, no DP was pending against the
Why don't we directions? Nine to
Judgment.
instruction,
Redaction complied.
order complied. Prior to the claim the liquidation. I think I think speaking of the litigation, like
tendency.
From first of all. One. You are agreeable for conducting an arbitration to adjudicate. They have a
regarding Article 41 and 46. But technically, I'm already on the other side. When the matters are called out, or just accommodate for class to go. Yes, but I am just for the day I need the net. Now, when the matters are called for, the matter. Time for mentioning is the 10:30. You ask to call. Then you file it. But the order, the realm of contempt notice that has been challenged to a review application for some clarification and not for. Contempt may be tagged along with that review application. What's the stage of the review? Admitted and not for. They have yet to file a response. There is no. Very proposal. Then the revival comes. The parties are price the court as to the status of the alia. Starting conflict. There is a one to five. Anyone appearing for one to five?
I'm appearing for respondent number 3.
Then five. By the state level committee, finance department.
Diplomat.
I think affidavit. Total number one.
Binding. Right.
No, my lord.
Not compliant.
Yes, 12 months. After this,
How many more months? Right, not done within the next month. Of the time. Right. Right. file it positively by next week. May.
Last, now, my lord. See.
You have not filed anything. Where is the forest? Where is the forest?
Direction of the. That's order, my lord.
Yes.
Direct-
We take it up after a while. Let him come. Yes.
We'd like to file, my lord, and the very case of the petitioner that he's being employed, who are sanctioned post, it appears to be, my lord, fallacious as well.
How long will it take to file evidence?
It has come, will take one week. But that specific contention that he's serving a substantial post, it's wrong, my lord. It's temporary project. And he's paid
My
from that
I'm not
project
saying,
only.
my lord, that I'm appointed. I was working, I appointed, and I have stayed government. But the post was sanctioned, but I have been.
No.
To get the complete detail, we want your affidavit on record by 20. 20 May.
See the academic performance index. My name is serial number 4. I then you will see respondent number 7. Ari, your modus in the supporting 7, 5. 36, who respondent, who serial 8. Number 8 is Dr. Modusmita Kapoor. No. What? Suresh Chandra Biswas. Serial number 8 is Dr. Suresh Chandra Biswas. He's the respondent. He's not a respondent. Respondent is R7. Serial number 10. Serial 10. Yeah. Respondent number 7. 7. Then respondent number 8 is 14. Then you will see respondent number 6 is 80. Six. Then respondent number 5 is Dr. Authorised. 70. Authorised. 5. Respondent number 6 and 5 are from OBC, other paper class. Respondent number 7 and 8 are from
have some difficulty in obtaining instructions because this university is bifurcated into two separate entities. So if you grant us some time, perhaps a week.
What is this university?
This is Assam Agriculture University. Now it has been bifurcated as Assam Fisheries University and Assam Agriculture University. Both are two different entities.
Those pertain to what? Scientist.
Senior scientist is horticulture.
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 So it's under agriculture.
Yes. Can the financed by the central ministry.
So, they are already promotion pipeline.
No. Press appointment
Or people are appointed. You are presently post of senior scientist.
No, I'm not. I have applied for the post.
You are serving in.
I'm not serving in the Assam Agriculture.
Directly to.
That
Why? For
I am OBC. But still, I'm OBC, but I'm not from the state. Page 24. Head minus 24. 24. Column what is the post? Name of the post level. The fill up. He has any role. Very grateful. Fine. I will seek some time. And we have written to them. They have asked us some time to manage. For finance.
Five and six.
Number two one.
Huh?
That's number two. That's number two has filed.
Fine. That, 29. Time?
Look.
What? 5 years. Judges,
Yes,
judge hearing.
submitted on my 7/4/26.
What, Rashid?
Yes, charge sheet is available.
Judge hearing.
Then has been submitted on 7/4/20. But the criminal part.
Trial. You're paying for a stay. Department of Proceedings. What is the status of the DP?
He has submitted the reply. That part notice definitely here us, we have filed the application. They may not even have they have a hearing in various cases, they are pending for the same point. Fairness proceeding whether that can be initiated. The notice is whether in the present case, the facts not to be left to examine.
Where is the charge sheet?
From the same. I can say one of the details melody one is so the commission also have the instruction that I have got the instruction. So,
Department of Proceedings. That is the
then I can say.
file.
But the entire issue is percentage EWA certificate by the central officer Kamru. He got the appointment as inspector of taxes under that particular category. Subsequently, it has been found that not eligible to have that particular certificate. When this came to light, criminal case was initiated against the central officer as well as the beneficiary. So there in the trial always to examine whether at least we have that certificate was issued or not. He may be acquitted there, but his appointment cannot sustain that particular event certificate was not bona fide, or he is not at all eligible for it. Then his appointment.
Where is the finding that it was?
Their report is there with us. Thereafter, the FIR also. Then DP was.
That is not telling.
That is not. I was
That is not
supposed to
telling.
point out that part. He will have to challenge that he is a bona fide candidate. No challenge to that.
Your EW certificate is cancelled.
Not cancelled, but they are initiating proceeding on that point.
First. First.
I mean, I will have to
Have the charge sheet and say on this matter. Charge sheet has been submitted. Charge sheet dated. Charge sheet number 6 of this. particular charges filed before the special.
Can you take up on?
I request made what you order.
No, no, it's not the marching order. It is the date, the hold of the transfer of all. This is not the marching.
Coming to that. So let us have it on 15 or 18.
They want to be. Till 18, Saturday, Sunday,
It's on 18.
Saturday.
Therefore,
Trying to find my application.
how much time would you require?
Where is problem? Regarding my lord, legal appointment terminated, they want to. Can the PR for interim order not at 2 p.m.
Matter has been heard earlier.
Hard, my lord.
That boatman.
No, my lord, for the, yes, my lord. On the last occasion, my lord referred to 7.5 of Jabarati Bari, my lord. Time, my lord, to argue on that. Then after so long, my lord, after a span of this many years, the litigation. Delay due to the litigation. So I was approved 2008. They have not appointed me. I have submitted several representation, you know. Instead of that, they have not paid any. My lord, most were there, most time post there. They have not appointed him, and they stated and declined. What is that? I prayed, tell them to place the original letter. What I have declined. They are unable to play. My lord, his father expired in 89. 89, my lord. Now we are in 23.
When did he apply?
My lord, he was a minor. When father died, he was a minor. After becoming major only, he applied.
When?
My lord, in 2003. So, my lord, 89, 2003, there also, my lord, he is not eligible. My lord, a minor cannot claim, my lord, compassion appointment after becoming major. Supreme Court held that, and several, basing on this judgment, my lord, several orders have been passed by this coordinate bench of this honorable High Court. I'm placing one of them, my lord. Here also, my lord. My lord, it can't be, my lord. 89, and now we are in 23. That immediacy is gone. 7.5 of Devapur Tiwari, he has to, my lord, overcome, my lord. Without that, my lord, there is a laid down law as of today, my lord.
Well, we'll continue on Thursday.
Fine.
Thursday. What are you challenging?
When setting aside my termination order at page 8,
Right?
at page 111, lawsuit may come to page 107. I should be reinstated. Then I proceeded to join. They did not allow me to join. I have prepared a contempt petition also. But as there is no specific direction to allow me to join or receive that I have to do that was direction, allow me to continue. I am praying allow me to join in this. As well as other apps for that.
How much time to complete your pleading?
Why not will give me only 7 days time? Probably, why not they will take a decision on the proposal.
What will be done at a later stage?
No, within 7 days, decision will be taken pursuant to the order of the honorable.
Order is
Within 7 days, my lord. I pay for only 7 days.
2026. Order is very specific.
Where is the order?
Yes, so you will find that part in
Similarly,
page
order passed by
101.
2026. Order filed by your lordship on 1/4/2016.
Page number.
It's in the order. I have a copy. To complete the inspection and file necessary affidavit to advise in the meantime. Tenant के लिए restrictions shall not be barred to reject the grievance.
Where is the order setting aside?
101, page 100. 11 is 100.
Yes. 107.
What they'll be doing after fresh issuance of the so-called, that is a separate cause of action, separate thing. But what I am only setting order by which this has been set aside. My right has accrued on the day when it has been set aside on 9/1/2023. But I have been wrongly.
The pursuant to this order, you have again proceeded against them departmentally.
Well, they have been
They have
issued a
issued a
so-called
so-called notice. I have submitted a reply.
page by notification page 100 or 113. That's the type.
But he has not been allowed to be joined.
To join.
That is their case, of course.
Because they are going to take a decision in the
Well, they have waited till 2026. I prefer 7 days time to take a call, my lord. If they are to be reinstated, the decision will be taken, or they are to be invoked.
But their order is, their earlier order was set aside. Their earlier removal order was set aside.
Not
So what will be the condition of their service till you take a decision during all this time? Their earlier removal was set aside.
they are taking a call, give us 7 days time.
Right, we are asking you. That
Termination
termination has been set aside. You have complied with, you have taken advantage of this order by initiating a fresh proceeding. Give the liberty. But the other part of the order, you are not complying. That it to have been reinstated unless you have a specific ground that no, there is no regard is clear that under specific that part you have to satisfy the that when assuming that you take a decision to terminate them now again. From that earlier date till the date you passed the order, status. They will be claim for salary, back wages, whatever. Is okay. Why this order is partially like can't be permitted to either you disagree, go and appeal.
Acted upon person to the court order. So, when the appeal
Direct some time for a week.
only 7 days.
Yes, you get your instructions, but these instructions will be with regard to what orders you may have passed pursuant to the subsequent. And you also have to apprise the court why the other part has not been, what is the consequence?
Well, and
Because you see, they were terminated. That was interfered. Now you're proceeding with them. If you are refusing to accept insisting on the termination order, there is no need to proceed.
They have issued an employee.
It is a sequel that they are considered to be employees. If they are employees, then why we not allow them to?
Join, direct them to allow my joining report, because my my.
We are examining this.
What?
We are examining this. We are giving them, you're on a strong wicket. They want to go and see whether the ball can be replaced. Better ball, new ball. Giving them some time.
The third super notice were set aside by this board. That this is the third.
That's all right. We are
And in fact,
examining it.
similar super notice has been issued. The redefinite code interfered with respect to the others, and direction has been issued for reinstatement and fees back wages.
And in any event, the interim order that you are praying for joining is also your final order, one of the prayers.
Joining is a natural consequence of the order that has been passed.
this is
I'm
your-
basically
your-
claiming seniority, etc. My back
Your
wages, all
Kindly
these things.
come to page number 28A.
Yes.
This is your prayer to allow the petitioners to rejoin.
Okay.
That is also your final prayer.
This I make a final prayer, interim order, prayer,
So therefore, we are putting it the question the other way around.
But
That
my-
since it
my-
is already
my
a final
principle
prayer, if we permit you to join today, we are partly allowing your petition to that extent.
My basic basic claim is benefits, service benefits, back wages. All these things I am claiming.
We'll have to examine that. Therefore, we are
Yes,
putting
those
it very
those need to be examined. But so far as joining money, it is apparent on 1/9/2023 having been interfered with, and I have to be reinstated. Or I have to be allowed.
We'll have to wait for some time before we decide what appropriate orders will be necessary. Because allowing you to join, partly allowing,
As you know,
the fact remains that department perhaps considers you to be in service. That's why they have initiated a second proceeding.
what I said, greatness of the
Because the order of the court and bench is giving you liberty. It's not clear, but it is apparent. And it consequently, that liberty has to be exercised only upon allowing them to join. Otherwise, how can you take it? Yes, we can learn a senior counsel assisted by Mr. P. Bodole. Proceedings initiated. Liberty granted. ID order. 9/1/2020. Direction will be quoted by very specific. The website. Which order are we referring?
9-1 that page. Party that page 107.
direction. Steps taken by the state. Statement pursuant to the yes, see the affidavit filed by respondent one.
And second, this is accommodation, madam. Except the fine, madam. And time, madam. I will do the needful, madam. My colleague.
Who's for respondent one? Developer development.
They have filed affidavit and they admitted.
Respondent one has filed the affidavit September 25, whereby the claim is made by the request. Finance,
Finance, madam.
on the other end, submits that the reports pertaining this case instruct the file. Next time. Get preparing for 5 and 6. In prayer. Time. It's accordingly.
My lord,
Again.
current salaries are also stopped.
Tendency to liquidate.
And so,
I'm praying for some economic. Otherwise, every lawsuit, the concerned person will supposed to come and pay the affidavit because of some personal difficulties.
My lord,
Can be taken up any day in the
next week, my lord. My lord, same subject matter. They are speaking order is first doesn't challenge, my lord. Another repetition, and they have
comprehensive affidavit, everything is there. So I pray my lord to, and,
With regard to similar issues, this repetition
yes,
is fine.
485, 2024, it should become alone. There,
Take together.
they
When is it listed?
It has not been listed.
listed earlier by lord, but it's not, so my lord.
You submitted that similar issues are urged before the court in another petition, the WPC number
4853 of 24.
4853 of 24.
There, my lord, they have filed all affidavit, we also reply.
Let both of the petition be listed on yes. What is the efficiency here? The service book is not available.
Not, yes, sir.
Have you reconstruct it?
But you, kindly see order dated 23/3/2020.
Yes, yes, yes,
Paragraph 10.
yes. Find out what
Yes,
procedure.
Yes, sir, we have taken view from the finance department as well as the ARTP. After getting their view, they will proceed. This is this.
What? What is the dis-
Service committee has been constituted. They could not find it. Therefore, they are alternative way they want. So,
Starts to be said it is lost. But
yes, they could
now,
find,
huh?
could not find.
So you have to reconstruct it.
Yes, sir. BTC also. Originally, he was working in BTC.
Yes, AG. They can't send because the service book is
No,
lost. Submission is there for opinion or comment from ARTP.
ARTP. The same shall be processed accordingly after taking place. The ARTP.
But there is an order of the court. What these are called for? In paragraph 10 is very clear. You'll find out the means to reconstruct the service book. Why are you asking for views from the department? They are bound to carry out this order. Have to refer to this order, that by this order, this is the direction given.
I am coming. Already coming.
Chaudhary? There is no copy available. BTC also not available. How do you know? Made any search? Earlier, Recently employed where?
Pakistan,
Pakistan.
under
Pakistan.
British.
Then service in Pakistan, he was transferred.
Yes,
He died in.
He died in harness.
yes.
So he has to be in Pakistan only. Respondent authorities, yes,
There is being delayed my lord by taking time.
but unless your is reconstructed, then
The earlier also, you know, asked for her to.
Benefit in absence of service books. This paragraph 10 budget. And out any other procedure for grant of such benefit in an absence of service book.
what benefit, what procedure is there? Earlier order dated 23. Find out any other procedure for grant of benefit claimed by the petitioner in respect of what benefit are you claiming?
Pension on system.
Benefit of pension on revised pay by the said petitioner who is the legal heir of the deceased employee as the service book has been presumed to be service book was stated to be lost. Basis of the fixation that was already determined by the employer. The respondent counsel, Health and BTC, as also accountant general, will have clear instructions. Please again. For appointment of arbitrator.
Yes, your lord. They are not disputing the
Have
arbitration.
you filed any objections?
They filed the objection. They are only, they have no, there are 33 may be seen. They have no objection with regard to the existence of an arbitration clause. Their only case is that during the, after we have filed the section 11 application, they have appointed an arbitrator. I'm relying upon the Supreme Court decision and data saying that they have forfeited their right. That's the only point you are looking. We have appointed our arbitrator. It has to be panel of 3 arbitrators. For them, this honorable court may appoint an arbitrator. That tomorrow or day after.
Day after. That is 7th on Thursday.
What?
Thursday.
Yes.
Let be listed. Again.
There's another matter.
Same,
That matter
same.
also come up, yes, same matter.
46.
42 minor pleadings are complete minor. I am appearing for on behalf of all the three respondents.
Hmm.
They are seeking an enhanced rate pay. Yes,
You are objecting to that.
yes, ma'am.
We submitted that the pleadings in the matter. Listed for hearing.
That, my lord. Matter is annexure 48, annexure 648, my lord, page 48. My lord.
Matter be listed for admission on 11th. 11th.
Matters are connected matters. Lordship, the petitioners hearing this matter, Lordship, they are challenging an order passed by the then managing director of Assam, APCO Lordship, Assam Livestock and contention of both the petitioners. The suspension order was illegal as because the managing director had no power to suspend the officers. Lordship, to that effect, Lordship, they have kindly a reply also. That the managing director had no power to suspend us.
Which paragraph?
Lordship, para 4, Lordship, of the
Directors.
board of directors.
You admit.
As per instructions received, my lord, admittedly, a show
There's
cause
a
notice
decision.
was directed to be issued. That is at page 94.
Show cause.
Yes, my
But nothing. Decision with regard to suspension.
lord. No, my lord, admittedly. as per-
Where is the, what is that, under the memorandum and articles?
Not-
Where are they?
Lordship,
My
will
lord,
find it at page 100,
110, my lord, outlines the powers.
Clause 64.
110. What about the managing director? Who has issued it? Managing director.
Managing director.
Is there any power prescribed for managing directors?
Lordship, my humble understanding, Lordship.
Is there any
No, Lordship.
The board of
description?
directors is the appointing authority.
No, regarding managing director? Are
No,
the
my lord,
powers
there-
specified?
Individually, Lordship.
Veterinary, is there anything to submit? Where are the impugned orders?
Lordship. That Lordship. Page 62, Lordship. Lordship, 63 and 40, annexure K, Lordship, it's page number 63.
62. In WPC 5531. Petition for parties, this petition is filed by the petitioner.
Lordship,
Accountant. An accountant.
one is accountant and another is.
We are dealing with WPC 5531.
5531 Lordship is the accountant Lordship
Yeah.
and 5555 is the gentleman.
Serving as an accountant under the some livestock and poultry corporation. And see, serving as general manager. Connection with some transactions which were undertaken. Services. Relating to discussion with directors. The minutes of the or the orders of the board of directors available.
Yes, ma'am. As annexure A to the. Page 94, clause number 12.
Bank transaction. Some livestock and poultry. That some unauthorized bank transaction. Carried out. Releasing suspending the petitioner. Respect of the services. Respect of any decision concerning the service. Part of the articles of association.
Yes, sir.
Memorandum.
Memorandum of them an article of association.
One document. Separate document.
They have been minor, but it is titled as memorandum of association.
The article. Managing director has been any manager or secretary. Submitted that. State with any powers. Spending the repetitions. Corporation has filed their affidavit. Submits that petition as it appears. As far as the bank transactions are concerned. Structure. Types of corporation. The company. Listed under the company. Acts and things. There to suspend any of their meeting. G12. Careful person. Ready. Managing Director. Authorization of communication. And Finance and Account Officer. Acting. Its amount. pending departmental proceedings. Suspension. Under the Assam Discipline and Appeal. Six. Set of rules are applicable to dispute. Suspended besides by the appointing authority, by any authority. Fact remains that suspension by the subordinate authority must be authorized. That only when separate meeting held. Place any officer under suspension. decision taken by the director. Subordinate. So subordinate to the board of directors, which otherwise is reserved. Such an act sanction of the board of directors. That such an action was subsequently ratified. Respect of to be exercised by officers. Respect of the extent of the powers to be exercised. Extent in place of suspension cannot be sustained. Where an act has been directed, where an act is permitted, where an act has to be done. Directed to be safe.
that they have forwarded the proposal. Finding of the duty.
While you examine this matter, we'll call up the next matter. Received. It's on 18. Monday. Monday. F. Hussain, learned counsel, appears for the petitioner, Mr. H.
Amen. Hearing on behalf of Permanent.
D. Women Health Department submits that department has forwarded the bill. Papers for fees and payment of family pension.
Yes, sir.
The concerned treasurer submitted that there's every likelihood. When was it forwarded?
Lordship, initially it was forwarded on 24th of April, Lordship, but then the treasury rejected it on 27th due to Lordship.
Now, when did you
Now,
forward it?
Lordship, this morning.
This morning, you forwarded it today.
Yes.
Credited. Eighteen. Five. Five. Sutia, the additional senior government advocate. Yes, for the Accountant General. He submits that by what order?
Order dated 24
24/3/22. With financial benefits. Instruction. Said after 2 weeks. We are nobody to say no. These instructions, we will decide. The copy. Give us a copy.
Okay, some instructions were thought, but what happened, we missed out, my lord. On that very communication which is annexed at last page, man, pertains to some other transfer. Some transfer prior, transfer on, in the month of 2022 in the year. And that was already disposed of. That is disposed of. So just annexed, just annexed to indicate the amount that.
Representation dated 13/6/2023.
That has been disposed of. That was only annexed to indicate that I have never come before court and I have been complying with.
Now, what is your prayer here? Is your prayer? Prayer.
Prayer, my lords, to transfer me, my lords, to cancel this transfer and modify the transfer and send me to my lords, if possible, money.
You had given some preference.
Even those preferences were also not acceded to, just for the sake of
Where are those preferences? When 72.
72.
Must be done, Mr.
His entire 31 years of service, he has been in Infol for around 20 years.
That is all right, but insofar as this
And 27 years within Northeastern zone. Only once he has been to Maharashtra.
come to 72,
Not you.
72 is places outside Northeast.
Yes, Lordship, but the system takes it. Everything is system generated.
That
No
is-
human
How is
interference.
that possible?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship can be.
System generated generally, yes.
No,
but-
because he has never served in the South zone. That's why it automatically
But
takes.
he is filed a representative.
That has been rejected.
Where is that?
Page
You
70.
Rejected it, but you have to give a ground why it is rejected.
No
Ground.
simply rejected.
No ground. Representation is rejected, 79. Ground, why it is rejected? Get the instructions why it is rejected.
What document is on Friday?
Nothing will happen. Admitted, it was admitted because he's out of that order. He's a ministerial staff.
Nothing will happen, Lordship.
Lordship can record it.
Their affidavit, they say that their understanding and he was in a substantive posting was in Assam since 2021. 4 years as a substantive post in Assam. Transfer guidelines say your lordship will take. He has been become an attachment of a temporary posting outside the order period of 90. Here in that area will be taken into account, not in something primary. So my substitute is that their understanding of the transfer perhaps why when we take your lordship, the first transfer order lordship by which he came to its present place of post. It's the page number 73. This was issued on 22/7/2024 and the petitioner was transferred to Gauhati on medical grounds. So, page number 72. As for the
For admission. Day after. Day after. I'm sorry, Thursday. Petition.